you want to know how to get some crunchy fried chicken, you hear that? Let's get into this video. So first thing, I'm going in with some mustard. I'm going to whisk 1 egg. And just add that. I'm going to use some Sazón Goya. I'm using half of what is in the package. Going in with some paprika. I'm gonna go in with about ½ tablespoon chicken and ½ tablespoon all-purpose seasoning. Some adobo all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna just combine all of this together. Guys, what I did was soak the chicken in some salt water overnight, put it in the fridge, and just left it in the salt water overnight. Wake up, drain it off, and then season it. Alright, see how it looks. Something like this. Now we're going 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. So I'm going to go in with the other half of the Goya Sazón seasoning. Maggi Chicken, Maggi All Purpose, Paprika, and some Goya Sazón. I'm going to add a little touch of baking soda. Yes, baking soda. And we'll just take a little whisk and just combine all the seasoning together nicely. Alright. We'll add some oil to the pot. Alright, so we're just rubbing the chicken again. Drop it in the flour. Shake off the excess. Place it. Okay. Flour. Shake off the excess. This side. So we just have to do that to all of the chicken them. Them aside. And by the time they're all ready, we just start fry. Okay, and that is it. So once I'll eat, I take the chicken, right, and drop it in the oil. the next piece and drop that one right in. So after all the pieces of chicken them went into the pot, I occasionally turn them, and each pieces of chicken took like 12 minutes to fry. So I would say 6 minutes on each side. But to test the chicken, you can use a fork, pierce the chicken. If you see clear coming from the chicken, that's the sign that the chicken is done frying. The recipe will be down in the description, and guys, remember to like, share, and leave a comment. Let me know if you try this recipe and if you get what you were looking for. Alright, so next I'm gonna fry the second batch. Guys, continue watching. Onion. With the second batch. So the breast them I fry for 10 minutes, 5 minutes on one side, so I just have to flip them. So I'm going to fry the breast them for 10 minutes and the wings for 12. Let's just go back to this there. Put in a spoon. I forgot the chicken. That's a brown pan water pan. Put it in the top. And then let me know more. Then add carrot. And then crisp. One more thing, guys, pay attention. If you like me, like Goya Business, gonna do other things, take a timer. Set a timer. Trust me. So guys, do you want to know how to get some crunchy fried chicken?